This is Deconstruction and my name is Akshat. In my previous videos, I mentioned that engineers are the backbone of any construction project. In this video, let's talk about the daily responsibilities of a construction field engineer. Now, every construction company and project will have some variations in the responsibilities of a field engineer. A field engineer is a link between the field and the office. This relation also drives the need and general responsibilities of this position. He or she will engage in field and office conversations and attend meetings to understand the expectations regarding the daily production from the field. Usually, construction starts early, and so does the day for a field engineer. Here are some job duties and responsibilities as the day begins. Now, it depends on the engineer in which order they would like to perform these activities. First one is time card review. The field engineer will review the time for his or her crew, including the hours worked from start to finish and the breaks taken. This will ensure that the crew is paid correctly according to all the regulations and by law. Cost code review. The field engineer is responsible for tracking the cost of his or her scope. When a crew performs an activity, the time spent on that activity must be charged to a specific code to track time, quantity, and budget. For this, contractor develop numeric codes and assign them to every activity. This helps them keep track of the activity and maintain the budget. Quantity tracking. Tracking and recording the work performed. Generally, contractors get paid by the work they performed. So tracking quantity is very crucial for the engineer to keep up to date and keep the log maintained so the contractors and any subcontractor on site get paid correctly. Keeping inventory. One of the primary roles of the field engineer is to perform inventory and track the material in hand and what needs to be ordered. Production planner. Before starting any new activity, the engineer develops a production planner, which involves cost analysis with the help of superintendents, foremen, and project managers. They discuss the specific activity or work to be performed, crew size, and tool and equipment needed to accomplish the task economically and safely. Schedule updates. The construction industry is heavily dependent on time and budget. There is a saying that time is money, and maintaining a schedule is one way to keep money on track so that the engineer will update the schedule with activities, dates, and duration. Quantity takeoff. To plan and order long lead items in advance, the engineer should perform a quantity takeoff to forecast the cost and material and ensure the material needed to accomplish the task are readily available to the crew. Quantity takeoff also helps the engineer track the work performed and budgeted. Field coordination involve ordering construction material and tools for the crew, getting submittals approved, printing plans for the crew, assisting inspectors during any inspection, writing construction RFIs, solving field problems, assisting design engineers and managers, and keeping the field up to date with any change happening. Also, managing the subcontractors, if any, assigned to you, by ensuring they have all the correct information to perform the task and tracking their work and their quantity. Quality control. The field engineer will ensure that the work is performed according to the plans and contract and that the workmanship is satisfactory to the governing body and the inspectors involved. Field engineers are also responsible for monitoring a safe work environment by enforcing project-specific safety protocols and ensuring everyone follows them. Field engineers are the most hardworking professionals in construction industry. They are responsible for updating, tracking, and communicating with the field about all the changes happening in the office. If you are a student or a recent graduate starting in construction or curious about construction, there are some softwares you must learn or understand. This will help you and this will give you an advantage while performing these tasks once you enter the industry. Let's review these softwares one by one. The first one is Bluebeam. This is a PDF viewer heavily used in construction. Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets and almost everything. Construction loves spreadsheets and we make a lot of spreadsheets to track time, to track cost, to track budget and everything. HCSS for time card review and job analysis. AutoCAD for drawings and Primavera P6 for scheduling. and also try to get a general understanding on any construction management software like Procore or Aconex. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more construction related content.